8 years ago that we put a shovel to the ground here, put up this 44,000 square foot facility to manufacture large silo teams. We are now adding on 66,000 square feet. To expand that, our business has just exploded, and we have a backlog of almost a year's worth of tanks to build out of this facility. And on top of that, 8 years ago when we put the shovel to the ground, my father was alive. And at that time, he turned and said, I can't wait to see the day when you add on to this facility in the back.
You know, we really love the opportunity to work with organizations like the Feldmeier family, who are just a great family business that are growing and prospering in our community, and being able to support them. And this is our second project with the Feldmeier family, so we're really excited about that and look forward to many more in this project.
Today's a great day. And as Bob was talking about his family and the commitment in Little Falls, I immediately just went to his family. As Kurt said, his dad. Everybody has some connection to the Feldmeiers. To me, this is not about business. This is about family in Little Falls. The sun is shining, we're all here together, and as we think about steel and construction and holds and taking a tour and having lunch together, it is because the Feldmeiers are such a special group. Generation after generation, they invest in a small city, the second smallest city in the state, right here in Little Falls. They could go other places, they choose to be here.